Hello everyone, welcome to Joysun Factory Manufacture Exploration video. This is Eric. We are a bike manufacturer who deal with bicycle exporting and producing for over 26 years. Nowadays, bicycle has become more and more popular, and it is a part of life. So, do you know how to make a bicycle? Let's follow me. Today I will show you. This area, we use many automatic machines to adjust the tube, to cut the tube, to make it ready for the welding. In this area, we use automatic machines to make it more efficient, and we decrease our labor cost. It is a very nice area. Okay, let's go to another stage. This is the welding line. Before the welding, we will check if the tube is right, is correct with the drawing. If it is correct, we will original assemble in this place. And after this person, we will have 4 persons to strengthen, to weld the tube to make it very strong. Come on. This is the mechanical arm. Some part of the order, the frame, we will welding here. Look, it will be more accurate. This is our painting line. Every part we will use a robot to paint the main part of the part. Then our colleague will check it by hand. After by hand, we will use water painting, which is environmental, and we choose 3 times for the painting. So it will makes it looks more nice and looks more bright. After all finished, we will check one by one about the parts, about the welding. After it, we will give it to the sticker place to make the sticker. Come to our assembly line. You can see a lot of robots here to transport the parts to every certain lines for the assemble. This will add our efficiency, and also it will be very technical. Here we have 4 lines about the bicycle. This place is our assembly line gate. Behind the kids' bike assembly line is our center control. On the center control, all the command is given by this central to the robot you see before. This place we can see where if the parts arrived, if the painting finished, if the welding finished, and if the quantity is already finished assemble, it will be more and more strong, and it can control the whole order to move it very fluently. And this can also control the delivery time. The delivery time will be on time, and we will know which part has a problem. We use a lot of material to protect the painting, the frame, the parts. Look at this. We use the cartons. We use EPE materials to protect it about the scratch of the painting. So it will be more safe about the frame between the transportation. And when customer receive the goods, the painting will be nice. After the bikes finished on the assembly line, it will move to this place and package it automatically, and then move it to our warehouse, automatic warehouse. It will be ready for the loading. Now let's go to our 3D automatic warehouse. Yeah, here is our warehouse.